What is up, everybody? I'm a Shopify developer from Germany, and I want to make it as easy for you as possible to recreate awesome looking designs like this one. I can easily charge my clients hundreds of dollars for slideshows like this one, but in reality, you don't actually need me for that. And I'm going to show you in a couple of easy steps how you can build something like that for yourself without any line of code, and you can also customize it. So let's get right into it. The first thing I did for this is that I headed on over to the Shopify App Store, where I got the Section Store app. It's a component library with over 300 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components. And the one we will be having a look at today is the Slideshow 7. And instead of paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars for expensive developers like myself, you can easily get that one for a one-time fee of $9. And those are all the things you can customize. You can add those free images, and let's just get right to it. I'm going to show you how it's all done. And after successfully getting the section, head back to the My Sections area of the app, and you click on Add to right here. And here I'm already opening up mine, and that is the one I will be using today. And I have to scroll all the way down, click on Add Section, and then I type in Slideshow 8 or 7. Sorry, it's Slideshow 7. That is the one we will be doing today. And to successfully use it, I always have to save it up so we don't run into any unnecessary errors. And now, of course, the most important part is to fill that whole thing with content. And the first thing I would like to do is show you how this whole thing operates. So it contains 3 slides at the moment. So if I click on one, you can see here I can select the main background. I'm going to choose this one. So we do have a main background on this. It's just a stock photo, so don't worry about that. And here we can decide the other 3 images. So I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm going to go with this one. And the final one is going to be this one. So we are all set. And this is how it's going to look like when the slide is finished. Of course, I can attach a link to the button right here, and also add a headline. So this is going to be the text slide. I'll typo right here. This is going to be the text slide. And here we have a subtext as well, but I'm going to leave that one to you. I just want to give you a brief idea how all the techniques work in that section. And yeah, the same applies to all the other slides as well. And now I want to show you some customizations you can do to the whole block itself. So of course the whole thing is fully responsive. If I swipe down right there, you can see it gets attached to that. You can select a fixed height for mobile as well. If you think that is a bit too tall, we can easily make it not that high. So I do think that looks a bit more compact. The autoplay, of course, is working. The overlay capacity, if you want to have that a little bit less, that is possible too. And a lot of other things you can customize in that whole thing, like the image ratio, the border thickness, the arrows, which colors they have, and yeah, those are all the colors you can change, the paddings, the margins, you name it. But at the end of the day, I think you want to customize it to your likings. And if that whole thing is getting filled with content, I want to show you one of my client stores right here. It can look something like this. Here we decided we're not going to make it full width, and it's filled with content. I do think that looks really nice. Also nice little animations right here. The colors got changed a little bit. So yeah, that is possible with that section. And yeah, hope you guys found it useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.